No lights, no sweat. Voltgent set. Hey friends, if a core area of city power outage, it will be a huge disaster. Voltgent customized an emergency power container diesel genset in the event of power failure can be the fastest time to arrive at the site for municipal power repairs to provide power security. This 20 feet containerized diesel genset VC650 next to me is designed and manufactured for power supply. This genset will be mounted on a truck and driven whenever power is needed. Firstly, this is very easy to use genset. We can see the ladders on the both sides, which make it very easy to climb into the unit for maintenance. Containers are equipped with high-zoom explosion-proof LED lights inside and outside for both safety and ease of operation at night. Diesel generator sets are equipped with a refueling gun and a fuel supply system, which makes refueling the set more convenient than refueling a car. This VC650 is equipped with an intelligent parallel system and a remote control system, which can be easily connected at any time and anywhere, and can monitor the genset remotely. Secondly, this is a durable genset. Equipped with an American Cummins engine and a Leroy Somer alternator, this VC650 is powerful and strong. With one-step carry capacity, great starting ability, long service life, and long maintenance intervals. The genset is equipped with a comprehensive heating system that allows the genset to start up quickly and operate reliably in extreme environments as low as -40 degrees Celsius. The use of air inlet guards prevents the penetration of the sand and snow and protects the internal core components. Thirdly, this is a highly integrated power station system. It is difficult to have auxiliary equipment at the site of an emergency power source to help to start and run a diesel genset. This highly integrated generator set is highly integrated and can be quickly put into operation after arriving at the site. This genset has an integrated cable reel, fuel tank, refueling system, automatic heating system, and arrives on site ready for quick refueling, cabling, and startup. Of course, this container genset still inherits the advantages of Voltgent's standard container genset, which is durable, convenient, and user-friendly. To learn more, welcome to subscribe to our YouTube homepage and click our website, Voltgent.com. If you have any power needs, please feel free to contact us. Voltgent will be always our partner.